I have found this growing in my yard. I am pretty sure it is a weed. I've pulled it out and have gotten poked by the thorns and my skin itches after. Can you help me identify this? Thank you. This is Cherie in South Haven, Mississippi. So Celeste, can we help her with the identification there?
I think we can.
Oh, I think we can.
So this is, what do you say, wild blackberry possibly?
I think so.
I'm thinking that's what we're looking at there.
Yeah, so what I looked at first was pretty much the leaves. It has the pinnate venation, right? So that lets me know that it's in the bramble family. So then it has thorns.
Yes, and I know this all too well because we, my family recently went and picked wild blackberries. So I can tell you with confidence that that picture was a blackberry.
It's a blackberry. So would you encourage Cherie to keep it?
Well, I mean, yes, she could, definitely. You know, wild blackberries tend to have much smaller fruit on them than some of our newer varieties that we have out there on the market. And also, they're very thorny. And so there's newer blackberries that are available that are thornless.
Thornless.
And have bigger berries. So just depends on which direction she wants to go. I'd leave that up to her.
Okay, we'll leave that to you, Cherie. But yeah, thornless, bigger fruit. Sounds good to me. Thank you for the question. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.